Buenas tardes, clase. Today we're going to learn different class object words. So this is going to be a lot of vocab, but then we're going to practice that vocab with some sentences. So first I'm just going to write all of the vocab down for you. So if you could please take notes while we're doing this. Eraser is el borrador. El borrador. Calculator is la calculadora. La calculadora. Notebook is el cuaderno. El cuaderno. Dictionary is el diccionario. El diccionario. Desk is el escritorio. El escritorio. Pencil is el lápiz. El lápiz. Book is el libro. El libro. Backpack is la mochila. I have one more slide of notes for vocab, but let's repeat these first so that you can say them correctly. El borrador, la calculadora, el cuaderno, el diccionario, el escritorio, el lápiz, el libro, and la mochila. All right, let's get the rest of the vocab. Paper is el papel. El papel. That's an L at the end. Chalkboard, or whiteboard, it's just something that you would write on, is el pizarrón. El pizarrón. Pen would be la pluma. There's actually a lot of different words for pens depending on which country you're in, but this is just the most standard, so you can use this one and people will know what you're talking about. If you were super old school and you were using chalk, you could use la tiza. La tiza. And then here are some words that you guys would be using a lot more in your schooling. Computer is la computadora. Now remember, with use, like you're going to see right here in computadora, you're used to saying you, but in Spanish it's just u. Okay, so I hear a lot of mispronunciation with computadora. We want to make sure that we say computadora, not computadora. So it's computadora. All right. Printer is la impresora. La impresora. Screen, like a computer screen or a projector screen, would be la pantalla. Remember your double L over here. Your double L is going to be a Y sound, so la pantalla. And then mouse. This is actually mouse, the animal, and mouse for a computer, so it's the same in Spanish as it is in English, is el ratón. El ratón. And lastly, keyboard, which again in Spanish can go either way. It could be your computer keyboard or a keyboard like you play, like the piano. Keyboard would be el teclado. El teclado. So let's repeat each of these and then we'll do some sentences with them. El papel, el pizarrón, la pluma, la tiza, la computadora, la impresora, la pantalla, el ratón, and el teclado. All right, so I'm going to write some sentences. We'll start in Spanish first and then switch to English. And you translate this for me, what you think it means. All right, let's see. La impresora no tiene papel. La impresora no tiene papel. Well, based on the vocab that we just learned, you should know that that means the printer. And then what would no tiene be? Does not have. And papel is paper. The printer does not have paper. Okay? All right, here's one more. What about this question? Oops, let me switch back to the other color pen. What about this question? ¿Necesitas tu cuaderno? ¿Necesitas tu cuaderno? Well, necesitar, as you learned last time, means to need. So this means, since it's a question, it's do you need, which we know it's you because of this ending with the AS right here. The AS is the ending for the U form, for the tu form. All right, do you need your, and then cuaderno, as you just learned, is notebook. Do you need your notebook? ¿Necesitas tu cuaderno? All right, now let's do some from Spanish to English. Translate this sentence for me. I study with my computer and my notebook. I study with my computer and my notebook. Well, in Spanish, that would be yo estudio con mi computadora y mi cuaderno. Yo estudio con mi computadora y mi cuaderno. All right. Now let's do one more. Translate this sentence for me. In art class, remember possession in Spanish, in art class we use pens, chalkboards, and chalk. In art class, we use pens, chalkboards, and chalk. What would that be in Spanish? I'm going to put that up here so I have enough room. All right, so in Spanish, that would be en la clase de arte, because of my possession. It's going to be clase de arte, not arte clase. It's going to be clase de arte. Nosotros usamos. You have this AMOS ending because it's a we conjugation, a nosotros conjugation. Nosotros usamos plumas. And these are all plural because we made them plural. Pizarrones. Pizarrones. Y tiza. This one is singular because I left it singular in English. So again, in Spanish, that would be en la clase de arte, nosotros usamos plumas, pizarrones y tiza. All right, so I know the last couple lessons have been really heavy on vocab, but keep working hard to memorize those. Make sure that you're practicing them, and make sure that you're practicing them with sentences too, and that you're not just practicing with flashcards, because we want to make sure that you're able to use those in conversation. All right? Hasta luego.